Welcome to EduSystem. In this video, we will guide you through the process of capturing results and changing the scale for the results in EduSystem. How to capture results in EduSystem. To get started, log into your EduSystem account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the side menu and click on Assessments. Next, click on Capture Results. Next, select the subject you wish to capture marks for. Next, select the classes that you wish to capture results for. Then click the Show button. Then start capturing results for Term 1, Term 2, Term 3, and so on. There is no need to click Save. The results are saved automatically. How to change the scale for the results. Currently, the scale is 100, meaning that 12 out of 100, the student would be receiving 12%. However, if the scale is different, for example, 30 or 60, then that can be changed. To change the scale for the results, click on the Settings button. Under the Results section, navigate to the pencil icon and click Edit. Change the scale from 100 to the value that you wish and click Save. Navigate back to the Assessments, select the subject that you selected earlier, and you would see that the scale has now been changed. If we go to generate a report for those students in grade 11, we will notice that they would receive the proper mark. So grade 11A, generate. You would see that English is now 40%. So this student received 12 out of 30, which is 40%. Thank you. And that's it. You've successfully captured the results and changed the scale in EduSystem. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.